Hi, welcome to All Things Good. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an extremely anti-parasitic tea using wormwood. Wormwood is a terrific herb. It's extremely bitter and it gets rid of pinworms and other type of parasites that are in the body. So what you're going to do to make this tea, because we want to make it extremely potent, is you need a pot and you need some filtered water. So let's pour some filtered water into the pot. And let's start on high heat, and then we're going to add our wormwood to it. So I'm going to be making over probably about 1.5 litres of tea, and this is to drink throughout the day. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons worth, just like that. And then we start on high temperature, and then we're going to move to low temperature and allow it to simmer. And that way the strength of the tea will be a lot higher and it will be a lot more potent. I'm going to add more water once I bring it up to temperature and allow that to intensify. Here we have the tea. It's simmered and it's intensified. It's very rich, and all we're going to do is take a strainer, a tea strainer, place that into the cup, and we're just going to pour it into the cup now. And just like that, you have an extremely anti-parasitic tea, and this sip about 3 to 4 mugs a day, and do that for about a week, and it will help clear the body of parasites. Thank you for watching All Things Good.